People going to malls will need to wear face shields. Apart from face masks, Malacañang said this is now required in commercial establishments. The National Task Force against COVID-19 has decided to make it mandatory, not just in public transportation and workplace, but also in enclosed spaces. The Department of Transportation's directive to wear face shields and face masks applies to all public transportation, including airports, railways, road, and maritime sectors. It was the Department of Labor and Employment that required the use of face shields in workplaces.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.